Get help or support with Microsoft 365 for Business One. Welcome to M365 Professional. If you need help while using Microsoft 365 for Business, you have a number of options. Let's take a look. From the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select Help and Support. Enter your question and select Search. You'll see suggested answers to your question. If this didn't answer your question, select the headphone icon to get support from one of our agents. And choose how you want to contact support. Enter a title and description for your issue. Contact information, and choose whether to consent to the call being recorded. Select Contact Me. A support agent will then contact you about your issue. To get personalized assistance for both you and your employees, consider subscribing to Business Assist. Open the left navigation, select Marketplace, and locate more about Business Assist. If you don't see this option, go to the All Products tab and search for it. Choose more about Business Assist. Review the details and select Go to Checkout. Once you have completed checkout, each employee can get personalized support and more from the Business Assist team. Advanced or complex support needs, connect with a Microsoft partner. In the Admin Center, search for Partner, select Manage Partner Relationships, and then in the article, choose the Find and Contact a Partner link. Select Edit Location, then use My Location. Use the filters to narrow your results. And review the partners that meet your criteria and are available to help you achieve your business goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.